Hello, Eva. This is Cisco from Amplified. I spoke with Megan earlier this morning, and I promised I would go ahead and send out this video, just giving you a free website audit, letting you know how well you're doing against your competitors and what you can do to outbeat them online. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. Right away, Eva, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at content. Do you have 1,500 and 2,000 words of content with keywords? And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Overall, great looking website. Now, this is a good one right here. Reliable Tampa plumbers. Okay, this is a keyword. Now, the reason why you want content throughout your website is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms or what keywords you want to be found for. For example, if you do an AC repair in Tampa, you want to let them know, hey, I do AC repair in Tampa. And those are those are specific buyer intent keywords, which is going to get you more work for AC repair. Now, let's just go ahead and dive into this this tab here. This is a tool called Arrows. This helps me understand how well your website is performing. So let's jump over to this section. So this is your strength or your authority score. You're currently being indexed at 24, and this is your trust. Okay, this is your trustworthy score, and you're currently being indexed at 2.1. Now this is on the low side. This is on the medium side, but overall, you're still going to continue working on these scores. Now, some of the things or some of the factors that will make a difference in your scores is your backlinks. And currently right now you have 244 backlinks with 57 referring domains. Now a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, which builds trust or strength with Google. However, not all backlinks though are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks or links within your industry. If, for example, you were to get a link from Pizza Hut linking back to your website, Eva, it would actually hurt your overall scores. So you have 244 backlinks with 57 referring domains. Now, so this is the organic keywords. Let's see what keywords you're being indexed for. Remember, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. For example, let's see, this is a good one, right? Gas leak repair Tampa. Look at the volume, approximately 10 people are searching for this every single month. Water softeners Tampa. Now this is a good one because look, 250 people search for this every single month. Now imagine if you were just to get 10% of those calls, right? You would get high quality traffic coming into your phone, right? And this is all via your website. Now, let's keep diving in a little bit further. Let's see, emergency plumbers. You're being indexed for quite a few, drain cleaning. But something to consider also is, look, the volume is 80, but look at your positions though. You're 29, so you're probably like in the third or fourth, not even, probably the fifth page of Google. So you're not ranking very high. Now let's jump over to this tab and see what your competitors are doing. Now, right away, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the content, like I mentioned, and I'm looking at keywords. Look, Tampa HVAC Company. Okay, they got one keyword. They got trusted 24/7 AC repair in Tampa. So they do have specific keywords. Now, let's look over their strength. Okay, let's see how well they're performing. So look, these are high scores, 37 for their strength and 64 for their trust. They have over 1,000 backlinks with over 144 referring domains. But look at their organic keywords. They're ranking for over 1,000. Now, what I'm looking for, they can rank as many as they want, but I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords. Now, this is where there's money for them. AC repair Tampa, this keyword, look, 400 people are searching for this every single month. Tampa air conditioning repair, another 450. Tampa AC repair, another 450. You add this up, imagine the amount of clients that they're getting in Tampa for air conditioning repair, for AC repair. So now let's see where you're being ranked at, right? When I looked at it, I didn't see those keywords. But let's just take this keyword and type it into Google and see what pops up, okay? So let's take it section by section. So let's go over this section. So this right here, this is the Google Guarantee section, okay? Or the Google Ad section. And essentially what's going on here is they're paying for their ad to be on right here on the top of the Google searches. So anytime you call them, yeah, they're going to get charged, But guess what? They're getting a call for something that's super important, like AC repair in Tampa, to be specific. This is my favorite section. The reason why, Eva, is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the GMB section. Okay, and some of the ways to increase those rankings is one, getting reviews, replying to those reviews. Two, optimizing your content. Three, optimizing your photos. And the last thing is updating your clients, your potential clients, on the Google My Business updates page. The last thing I want to go over to finish off the video is the organic listings, where Google is organically ranking you on the Google pages. Right away, I'm seeing at the first place, 1 hour heating and air rescue. We got Yelp. This is a citation site. And then we have this company and so forth. Okay. So, like I said, if this is just an educational video giving you some tips and tricks, if you have more questions for me, or if you want to learn more on how you can rank higher on Google and just take over your competitors, email me back. I would love your feedback, your thoughts on anything that stood out to you. Would love to connect once again and just go over any questions you may have. Thank you again, and we'll talk soon.